Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we will complete the UI of address container, which contains three text fields: country, city and address. And before that, let's say a recap of previous video. In the previous video we completed the UI of this password container, which contains two password fields and these password strength indicators. So let's continue with this address container. So for that, here we create a in components. Here we will create a file named as address container. Type COMP, press tab. Address container, remove this modifier from here. Column modifier dot fill max width. And in here we need the first text field, which is for country. So for that we will go back to our full name container. Here we already have this complete text field here and a spacer here as well. So we will copy this from here, paste it in the address container and change this to country. And now select this one and press Ctrl D 2 times. And for the second text field we have city, and for the third text field we have address placeholder, and the height of this text field is more than these normal text field, so we will provide the height here. $100 dp. So now let's see the preview of this one. So to see the preview we type prev, press tab and name address container preview. Sign up theme, surface, and here we will call this address container. And now split the view, and sometimes we need to build and refresh. Okay, so this is the UI which we need for our address container, which contains country, city and address. So this is it for today's video. I hope this would be meaningful information for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.